I felt something, or is this just a heart attack? Now I feel nothing. Why do the days just fight too bad? Think I felt, or is this just a heart attack?
Harper Louise Kelly, you've been in my life for 11 years now. You were this tall girl who had a crush on me in junior high. And I was this short boy who was clueless and just thought we were really close friends.
It's like love, my heart's still beating. Memories won't fade, but they keep on bleeding.
Brandon and Scott Seek. I remember the first time I laid eyes on you. I was at Walnut Creek enjoying a snowy day and going sledding with Elise. When out of nowhere, the cutest 12-year-old boy with his blacked out snow gear came up on the same hill and slid right into my heart.
Harper, you are stunning and graceful. Your smile captivates me. Your laugh is contagious and brings joy to my life. And if your voice was the last thing I could hear, I know I would be okay.
We welcome you all here today as we gather in the presence of God and the witnesses to celebrate the joining of Brandon Seek and Harper Kelly in holy matrimony.
Is this just a heart attack? Now I feel nothing. Why do the days just fight too bad?
Little did I know that the girl who made me laugh and smile in class was going to be my future wife. I still remember our first date on Valentine's Day back in 2015. We sat and talked under the stars all night while we held each other close. Though the stars were beautiful, I couldn't take my eyes off of you. Marriage is a beautiful gift from God, and it will be the best adventure yet. But I also know that in an imperfect world, there will be struggles. Even through all of the hard times, I promise these things. I promise to always be there for you and be your biggest cheerleader. I promise that I will continue to make you laugh and smile and go out of my way to keep dating you. I promise that I will keep giving you hugs and kisses. And lastly, I promise that I will cherish and adore you as much as your dad did.
Then it's my privilege to ask, who gives Harper to be married to Brandon?
Her dad and I do.
Today is the greatest day of my life, and I thank God that we can rejoice in the love that He has given us. I love you, Harper Louise Kelly.
We hear King Solomon's poetic words when he stated, "I am my beloved's, and my beloved is mine. I found the one whom my soul longed for." And Brandon and Harper, as you stand before these today, you're proclaiming to the world that you have found the one your soul truly longed for.
So Brandon, today I give you my heart, and I promise to take care of your heart. A heart that is tender, loving, and full of joy. You've stood by me and comforted me as my heart was shattered. Then you patiently and lovingly put it back together. I promise to do the same for you if your heart breaks, and I promise to never be the source of that heartache. Brandon Scott, today I promise to always seek God first with all my heart, soul, and mind. I promise to constantly strive to be a Proverbs 31 woman. I promise to support your dreams and aspirations, even if that means buying a shack and fixing it up to be your TikTok DIY dreams. I promise to make you laugh because I know you love my jokes. I promise to love you even if you lose that amazing hair. And last, I promise someday when we're old and you're bald, but hopefully not, that we take our grandkids to that same hill where it all began. I love you.
And now it is my privilege to be able to say that in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, that you now are husband and wife, and what God has brought together, let no man tear apart. And Brandon, you may now kiss your bride.